Alright, I'm about to show you some really strange sounds you probably never heard before. What the? That's all.